Hello and welcome to my video. In this video we going to fix anti-adblock problem or bypass adblock detection. For this, we going to try couple of methods. Let's start. Method 1. Turn off JavaScript to stop adblock detection. If you are using Google Chrome, click the lock icon on start of URL. This will open Chrome settings specific for this URL. Go to JavaScript and select block. Refresh URL. And you are good to go to read content. No adblock detected pop-up this time. Unfortunately, this method only can work for those websites which can function well without JavaScript. Lots of websites require JavaScript to show their main content. Blocking JavaScript will result blank website. Method 2. You can disable Adblock or Adblock Plus and install a new Adblock extension, which can mostly bypass adblock detection. Go to Chrome extension website. Search for uBlock Origin. Click on Add to Chrome. Disable all other adblock extensions except uBlock Origin. Refresh URL and see adblock detection pop-up appear or not. Mostly uBlock Origin successfully bypass adblock detection. If none of these methods work, then disable all adblock extensions and refresh URL. That's all for now. Keep watching our videos for more tips and tricks. Please subscribe and like our video.